Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on how to use the Subsurface IO platform. So if you are the administrator of the platform or are given permission by the administrator, you can come to the data cleanup screen, which looks like this. It's a step-by-step process to do different data cleanup techniques on your data sets. So we can derive data, flag duplicate data, fill in missing data, merge data, or replace data. Today we'll show an example of how to merge data. So I select the Merge Data button and I press Next. And now an option of what type of data I want to merge together. So do I want to merge deviation surveys together, or well headers together, or perforations, or digital well logs? So I'll select the digital well logs option. And now I can choose from where I'm going to pull the data to merge. So I'll select my IHS API, the Geographics Texas and Oklahoma project, and a Windows servers where I have files on an E drive. In the next screen, I select the filter that I want to apply to the data. So you usually do not want to merge all of the data at once or all the data the same way. So in this case, I have an API number and I'll paste it in here. And now I will only merge data associated with this API number and digital well curves. Now here is where it gets interesting. This option allows you to merge data in various different ways. So for this particular set of data, which came from IHS API, a Geographics project, and a Windows server, and the API number, I have all of these curves present in the well. Now, if I select, for example, the gamma ray and put it over here, I can see that I have all of these other curves associated with the alias gamma ray. So this alias list is already preloaded into Subsurface IO, but it can be edited in every installation. So what this tells me is that I have curves called gamma ray, or GR. I also have curves called ECGR, GR_EDTC, and HGR. Now, how I merge these together is the order that's shown on this table. So if I want to select the HGR curve to be merged as the primary curve, I just put it up on top. Or if I want the GR curve to be on top, I can put there. So I'll organize these in a manner that makes sense, with GR on top and the EDTC curve as second. And then I'll select one more curve, for example, the caliper curve, to merge together. So here I just have two, and I'll leave that order the same. I can also select how the overlap will be handled. So if there are overlaps between these curves that are called the same, so say there are two curves with Cali or two curves with GR, should I take the shallowest, deepest, the longest, the shortest, the minimum value, or should I average them? So I will say I'll always take the longest curve if there is a duplicate curve. So that's it. I've now set up the logic, very simple logic to clean these curves, and I press Next. And I can see the results right away. As you can see, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 curves that were all associated with gamma ray. And I've now merged them together into one curve for this well. And I can see the curve alias, the new minimum depth, the new maximum depth, the new minimum value, and the new maximum value. And if I examine the original data, I can see where I'm getting that from. Same for the caliper curve. So now if I press save, this will go into my project and I can export it into other software and my data will be clean. The original data will still be present. We haven't modified it. We have simply cleaned data and can now use that clean data in Subsurface IO or in other softwares. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.